We'll continue to solve quadratic inequalities in one unknown, but sometimes we don't always make use of the graph, so we can make use of the algebraic method. So we have section 3.3. We will solve quadratic inequalities in one unknown by the algebraic method. And the first method is called the method of factorization, which is based on the following rules. If a times b greater than 0, then we have two possible cases. A greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Or we have a less than 0 and b less than 0. If both a and b are positive, then if we multiply them together, we get a times b greater than 0. Whereas if both of them are negative, a times b would give us positive, 負負得正. So that's the first rule. The second rule is a times b less than 0, then either one must be negative. So it could be a negative or it could be b negative. And of course, the above rules still hold when the greater than inequality sign is replaced by greater than or equal to, and less than is replaced by less than or equal to. Example 3.13. Solve the quadratic inequality by the method of factorization. First of all, we will express the quadratic expression in its factors, which are 3x plus 1 and x minus 2. So we can rewrite the quadratic inequality. Since we have these two factors multiplied greater than 0, it could be both positive. 3x plus 1 greater than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0. Or both negative. Solving the compound inequality on the left, we get x greater than negative 1 over 3 and x greater than 2, which would give us x greater than 2. The compound inequality on the right, we have x less than negative 1 over 3 and x less than 2. So we get x less than negative 1 over 3. Combining these two inequalities connected by or, the solutions are x less than negative 1 over 3 or x greater than 2. So here we make use of the method of factorization. Both positive will give us positive, so that's why we have the compound inequality in red on the left, or both negative, both factors are negative, so we have the compound inequality on the right.